I'm gonna be eating a burrito. I pretty much got a burrito from Del Taco. A meal, an epic burrito. Not just like any old random burrito, an epic burrito. I decided, hey, this might be a very good first video for me to do. Just sit in front of the camera, eat my burrito meal. What's there to lose? We got fries, as you can see. We also got a burrito. It's Cali steak burrito. I got a Diet Coke without a straw because I don't know where the straw is, and so yeah. Here's my sauce. We be feasting tonight. Oh, it's wet. Do I want ketchup? Nah. I'm gonna watch some TikToks.
1,000 yards in 1 hour 9 minutes. Done before 6:30 a.m. I quickly
Today, my wife and I decided on a road to go look at.
I'm done. Okay, y'all. That was it. Literally just came on here to just eat a burrito. Yeah, hopefully you'll see more of me soon. This is probably like my 3rd attempt of restarting a channel. Yeah, hopefully I can just like put out the content that I really want people to see of me, and like, I don't know, music and stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.